Excellency, for affording us this time to talk to you. We know you have a busy schedule. Let me start by saying congratulations, Makorokoto, on turning 93.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, during the Harare Agriculture Show some years back, a palmist once read your palm and predicted that you live up to 100 years, Makorezana. But almost every year you come across the so-called prophets proclaiming that President Mugabe is going to die on this date and that date. But you are here, you are alive. What would you want to say to these so-called prophets as you celebrate 93 years?
So-called prophets, why don't you say prophets of doom? They are prophets of doom who prophesy what really are their wishes. So they turn their wishes into prophecies or dreams perhaps, but hardly any dreams. I would want to think it's just wishes that this man must go, this man must go, and the man is not going. So year in, year out, it's the same wish, and so the same prophecy. Why do you care about them? I don't care about them anymore. We had even some pastors praying for my death, and even a bishop of my church. Ukumatebela nduya watakasobata inomudzimai akazviregera. So you get such people in society. They won't see some of them. In fact, the numbers may tend to increase sometimes. Ndakanzwa chimwe chichiti president ari kufa muna October. Asi kana asingadi kufa ngaataure naye. So there it is. I don't pay much attention to them at all.
Meanwhile, Your Excellency, there have been calls for you to step down on account of your age. And how do you answer to such calls, including from non-Zimbabweans like Julius Malema?
Do you listen to anything from Malema? Who is Malema? The call to step down must come from my party. From my party. My party at Congress, my party Central Committee. I'll step down. But then what do you get? It's the opposite.